Great.
My name is Charles Ivory, and I can say that this strategy that MyEcon has truly changed my life, my wife's life. The first strategy, we adjusted the W-4. I brought back $600 back into my paycheck. My wife brought back $800 back into her paycheck. We was at $80,000 in debt. We started applying that strategy to our debt, raised up our credit scores. We had recently bought 2 cars. We was able to pay off those 2 cars. Then we just kept applying the strategies using the system, because the system kind of maps it out for you. It makes it easy. All you gotta do is just be able to follow the instructions. Then once we lowered all our debt and stuff, we just started really pounding our mortgage. So, and I'm really proud to share this with you guys here at Game Changer, because all y'all my Facebook friends, y'all really Facebook Live. On our way up here, I got a call from the bank. On February the 2nd, I had sent out my final payment to my house. It did a 14-day payoff, and it took a long time for it to hit the bank. So they called me and they said, well, you passed your 14 days. You owe us another $53. Wow. So I said, well, go ahead and take that out the account. I've been wanting to post this on Facebook, but I don't have no receipts. As of yesterday, they told me that I no longer have a mortgage.
Ooh, say that.
So we no longer own our home, and we owe it all to the strategies of MyEcon. As soon as it hits zero balance, I could post it and show everybody. So, but y'all heard it first.
All right.